In today's video, I will guide you through how you can find your PayPal client ID, secret key, and merchant ID. So now this is really simple to do. And firstly, you want to head to developer.paypal.com and you want to be on this dashboard. And now you want to switch from the sandbox to live. And when you are in live mode, you want to go to API and credentials. So you just want to scroll a little bit, then choose it. And from here, we want to create new app in order to get the client ID and secret key. So I will click on create app in top right corner next to the API credentials. From here, you can name it. So let's say I'm gonna name it like test for the video, create app. And now we should get those credentials. So, all right. So the client ID, this is your client ID. You can copy it by using this button. And under that, you can see your secret key. So make sure to keep it secret, and you can copy it also from here. You can also add a second key if you want. So if you click add second key, it's going to generate a new key. And this is how you can find your PayPal client ID and secret key. Now, if you want to find your merchant ID, you want to go to business dashboard over here next to your name in top right corner. And this should redirect us to normal PayPal page. So as you can see, I'm on www.paypal.com. And from here, we want to go again to our profile in top right corner. And from the drop down, we want to choose account settings. And now on the left side, you should see business information under business profile. So select it. And from here, you can find your merchant ID. So this is my ID, you can copy it and you can use it. So you can also see your business information. And that's pretty much it for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.